Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is of course a Sunday refresh, refreshing my classroom, getting ready for the new week, getting the lesson plans done, and all the things that have to be done before Monday.
I've been cynical, oh so cynical. Never thought somebody could save me from another fall, from another scar. But I'm all healed up, standing steady. I couldn't see colors, it was all in gray, till you showed me every shade. Now I feel like summer on a rainy day, like there's nothing left.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anybody who may be new to my channel. Hello, my name is Courtney. I am a full-time teacher, as you can tell, and I do YouTube on the side as a hobby for fun. I usually do cleaning videos in my classroom and also at my home. So if you like that kind of content, please make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my uploads. And I just appreciate you watching today's video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in again. Thank you for always commenting on my videos, and I just appreciate you guys so much.
I don't care where we go, don't care what we do, as long as you're with me and I'm with you. I couldn't see colors, it was all in gray, till you showed me every shade. Now I feel like summer on a rainy day, like there's nothing left in.
So whenever I get on my phone like this, I am most likely looking for a lesson that I found when I was at home, and I would like save it. So sometimes it's on Pinterest, sometimes it's on Facebook, and sometimes it's on Instagram. I will just go and just save those videos, and then when I get to school, I go back and try to find those videos and see if I can plug them into my lesson for the week.
Just as long as I'm right there beside you, I won't ever let go, I won't ever be cruel, like the world was to me before I found you.
So we did this activity on Friday, and so I wasn't able to add on the eyes to the pigs. The kids made these party hats for the pig, because we did the book If You Give a Pig a Pancake, and then the second book was If You Throw a Pig a Party, or something like that. But it's either give a pig a party or throw a pig a party. But anyways, the kids, I knew that this coming up week would be crazy with our schedule. We had so much going on. We had picture day one day, we had Valentine's Day the next day, and so we just had a very busy schedule. So I knew I wanted to go ahead and get this done over the weekend.
Basement bites, inner fight, I can't hide. Trust a Godspeed, it's a wait, it's a trust. We'll be done eventually. I don't know when or what, I don't know a thing. Do my best to have fun. Want too much, probably. Let it flow, play and go. Don't stop the Godspeed. In case I make mistakes, better learn and hope. Maybe this will suck, it's a chance of luck. In case I'm running late, there's no time to wait. Run, 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 run. Basement vibes, inner fight, I can't hide. Trust the Godspeed.
So now I'm just changing out our snowman for our Black History Month lesson for the week. If you can guess who we were talking about, put it down in the comments. I'm pretty sure it was super easy for you to know like who we were talking about. But the shirt says Dodgers.
Almost done, throw the dice.
Now I'm just cleaning up small groups from last week. I'm just getting all the beads ready or back in the bag, and now I'm getting the next week ready. We were gonna do Valentine's Day cards at each table, like their independent small group, and so I just had to go ahead and cut the stickers because I have learned that if I give them the whole pack and just tell them to get a few, they don't get a few, they get the whole thing. And so if I want each group to have a certain number of stickers, I only put out so many stickers per table, and then that kind of helps with them not getting so many stickers at one time.
Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different. You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little drama's got me mad. And I don't need to tell you facts. You know I always want you back.
So on my board here I have how to make a card, and so it says like the front part of it, you color it, and then you open it up, and then you put your words in there, and then you decorate the card. And so that's what they were focusing on for their small group. So the last thing I needed to do was find a question of the day, because I try to do question of the days every single day. Sometimes it's not every day, but I try to do one every day. And I wanted to get something based off of Valentine's Day, because that's what was coming up that week. And so I had already made a promise to myself that I was not spending any extra cash this month on anything for my classroom. And so I was looking on Teacher Pay Teacher, and I was trying to see if I could find anything that was free. And then the one thing that I did find, I figured that I could just make it myself, and so I didn't have to pay for it. And so that's what I've ended up doing, is just making the questions myself.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, baby. This is all we got. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got.
So this concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to push that subscribe button if you like this kind of content. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.